Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing our world. From the way we communicate to the way we work, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. It's impacting everything from transportation to healthcare. Autonomous vehicles are becoming more common, and AI-driven diagnostics are revolutionizing medical care. But one area where AI is making significant strides is home maintenance. This often overlooked aspect of our lives is being transformed by intelligent systems. AI-powered technologies are making homes smarter, more efficient, and easier to manage. From smart thermostats that learn your preferences to security systems that can detect unusual activity, the possibilities are endless. This is just the beginning. The integration of AI into our homes is still in its early stages, but the potential is enormous. The potential of AI in this domain is vast and continues to evolve at an impressive pace. As technology advances, we can expect even more innovative solutions to emerge. For homeowners, this means less time spent on tedious chores. Imagine a home where a robotic vacuum cleaner takes care of the floors and smart appliances handle the rest. It also means potential cost savings and increased peace of mind. Smart home devices can optimize energy usage, reducing utility bills and minimizing environmental impact. Imagine a home that anticipates and addresses maintenance needs before they become major problems. AI can monitor the condition of your home and alert you to issues before they escalate. This is the promise of AI in home maintenance. It's about creating a living environment that is not only more convenient, but also more sustainable and secure. This transformation is driven by several key technologies. These include predictive maintenance, smart home devices, and robotic cleaners. Each of these technologies plays a crucial role in the AI revolution in homes. These innovations are already making a tangible difference in how we maintain our homes. Homeowners are experiencing the benefits of reduced maintenance costs and improved quality of life. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated solutions in the near future. The future of home maintenance is bright, with AI leading the way to smarter, more efficient living spaces. AI-driven home security systems are becoming more advanced, offering real-time monitoring and instant alerts. Smart home energy management systems are optimizing energy consumption, making homes more eco-friendly. AI is also enhancing home entertainment experiences. Voice-activated assistants like Alexa and Google Home are becoming central hubs for controlling various smart devices, making it easier to manage your home environment. The future holds even more exciting possibilities. With continuous advancements in AI, we can look forward to homes that are not only smart, but also intuitive, adapting to our needs and preferences seamlessly. In conclusion, the AI revolution in homes is just beginning. As these technologies continue to develop, they will transform our daily lives, making our homes more comfortable, efficient, and secure. The future of home maintenance and management is here, and it's powered by AI. Predictive maintenance is a game changer in home upkeep. This AI-powered technology uses sensors and data analysis to anticipate potential problems. Instead of reacting to a breakdown, homeowners can address issues before they escalate. Imagine a scenario where your smart refrigerator detects a failing compressor. It can alert you and even schedule a technician visit automatically. This proactive approach saves time, money, and potential headaches. Predictive maintenance extends to various home systems. It can monitor your HVAC system, plumbing, and electrical wiring. By identifying subtle signs of wear and tear, AI helps prevent costly repairs and ensures the smooth operation of essential home systems. This proactive approach not only provides peace of mind, but also contributes to a longer lifespan for your appliances and systems. The rise of smart homes is deeply intertwined with AI-driven home maintenance. Smart homes leverage interconnected devices and sensors to collect valuable data. This data provides insights into the health and performance of various home systems. For example, smart thermostats learn your temperature preferences and adjust automatically for optimal comfort and energy efficiency. Similarly, smart leak detectors can identify and alert you to water leaks, preventing potential water damage. The beauty of smart homes lies in their ability to automate tasks and provide valuable information. This data empowers homeowners to make informed decisions about their home maintenance. It also allows for remote monitoring and control, offering convenience and peace of mind. Robotic cleaners are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They are increasingly common in homes, taking over mundane cleaning tasks. Robotic vacuum cleaners navigate rooms, effectively removing dirt and dust. But robotic cleaning goes beyond floors. Robotic pool cleaners and lawnmowers are also gaining popularity. These autonomous helpers free up homeowners' time and reduce the burden of manual labor. As technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated robotic cleaners. They will be better equipped to handle complex environments and diverse cleaning tasks. The future holds exciting possibilities, with robots potentially assisting with window cleaning, gutter cleaning, and more. Section 5. AI-powered energy efficiency. AI is not just about convenience, it's also about sustainability. AI-powered systems can significantly enhance home energy efficiency. Smart thermostats, as mentioned earlier, play a crucial role in optimizing energy consumption for heating and cooling. But AI's role in energy management extends further. AI can analyze energy consumption patterns, identify areas of waste, and recommend personalized strategies for reducing energy usage. Some advanced systems can even integrate with renewable energy sources like solar panels. They intelligently manage energy flow, maximizing the use of clean energy and minimizing reliance on the grid. This not only saves money on energy bills, but also reduces the household's carbon footprint. Section 6. Home security gets smarter with AI. AI is transforming home security, making it more intelligent and proactive. AI-powered security cameras can distinguish between familiar faces and strangers, reducing false alarms. They can analyze unusual activity patterns and provide more accurate threat detection. Beyond cameras, AI enhances other aspects of home security. Smart doorbells with facial recognition provide an added layer of security. AI-powered systems can also learn your daily routines and identify any deviations that might suggest a security breach. This intelligent automation enhances home security and provides homeowners with greater peace of mind. The ability to remotely monitor and control security systems through smartphones adds another level of convenience and control. Section 7. The convenience factor. AI simplifies home management. One of the most appealing aspects of AI in home maintenance is the sheer convenience it offers. Managing a home can be demanding, but AI streamlines tasks, simplifies routines, and puts homeowners in greater control. Imagine controlling your home's lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems with simple voice commands. AI makes this possible through virtual assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. These voice-activated interfaces offer a seamless and intuitive way to interact with your home. This level of automation extends to various aspects of home management, from setting reminders for filter replacements to receiving personalized recommendations for home services. AI simplifies the complexities of home ownership. Section 8. Cost savings and ROI of AI in home maintenance. The initial investment in AI-powered home maintenance technologies might seem significant. However, the long-term cost savings and return on investment are compelling. Predictive maintenance, for instance, can drastically reduce repair costs by addressing issues before they become major problems. Energy efficiency improvements driven by AI translate into lower utility bills month after month. Furthermore, the automation of tasks like cleaning and lawn care can result in savings on professional services. While the upfront cost of some AI technologies might seem high, it's essential to consider the long-term financial benefits. These technologies often pay for themselves over time through reduced operating costs, prevented damages, and increased energy efficiency. Section 9. The future landscape. AI's potential in home maintenance. The integration of AI into home maintenance is still in its early stages. The future holds tremendous potential for even more sophisticated and transformative applications. As AI algorithms become more advanced, they will be better equipped to handle complex tasks and provide even more personalized experiences. We can anticipate advancements in areas like self-repairing appliances. Imagine a future where your dishwasher can diagnose and fix a minor malfunction without human intervention. Furthermore, AI will likely play a crucial role in creating truly sustainable homes. From optimizing energy consumption to managing waste and water usage, AI will be instrumental in minimizing our environmental impact. Section 10. Embracing the AI revolution in our homes. The AI revolution is transforming how we maintain and interact with our homes. From predictive maintenance that prevents problems to robotic cleaners that ease the burden of chores, AI brings forth a new era of convenience, efficiency, and peace of mind for homeowners. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative solutions that simplify our lives and enhance our homes. Embracing these advancements will be key to enjoying the full potential of smarter, more sustainable, and more comfortable living spaces.